I recently made a fatal error when it comes to cleaning my pellet grill, and I have this to show for it. It is no longer the gorgeous painted surface that I had on the back of my Grill-A-Grill Silverback. I'm going to show you what led to this, how we got here, how we're going to get out of it, and if I would ever use this product again coming up.
Okay, David, take us back to that day.
All we were trying to do was film a video on how to clean a pellet grill. Should be easy. We do it all the time. It's something that we do, I mean, multiple times a month. And I wish I could say that we did it like as much as we should, given the amount of pellet grills that we have. But that was one that we let get incredibly out of control, needed a lot of cleaning. So
we did that on purpose though, right?
We
Because we were getting ready for this video. So we let it get extra dirty.
It was. I mean, if you look at that, that fire pot and the bottom of that thing, it was terribly dirty. But we got it all cleaned out. We went all the way through the cleaning process and we finally got to the outside. And the idea at the outside is I love using those cleaners that help take off of the grease and take off the sticky stuff on the outside. And our favorite has been the Goo Gone Grill and Grate Cleaner. I mean, that's the red bottle, or the bottle with the red label. And that's been our favorite for many, many months now. I mean,
We've probably used it for a couple of years now.
Yeah, but that bottle, it ran out in the middle of that cleaning video. And we thought, well, I'll just run to the store and grab some. Turns out that's not so easy. I mean, I started out by going to Menards and they did not have it at Menards. Then I went to Home Depot. They did not have it at Home Depot. Then I went to Lowe's and I saw online when I was at Home Depot, I thought, I'm just gonna find out who has this. And I saw what I thought was the Goo Gone Grill and Grate Cleaner. So I went to Lowe's, could not find it. I had to ask someone with a blue vest on where it was. And he found it for me, but he swore, hey, he's like, we don't actually carry Goo Gone Grill and Grate Cleaner. I'm like, well, it says on the website that you do. So we went over to the place where it supposedly was and we found it. Grabbed 2 bottles, thought I don't want to run out. Came back to the house, thought we're good to go. Turns out we weren't good to go. And that's where things all went wrong.
And we were on a time crunch because we were leaving the next day. We had to finish our shoot that afternoon. Kids were coming home from school soon. We just needed to get this video filmed and be done with it. So we grabbed the bottle. I grabbed the bottle and started spraying to finish the job. And yeah.
It turns out it wasn't Goo Gone Grill and Grate Cleaner.
Yeah.
Turns out it was Goo Gone Grill and Oven Cleaner, which is a completely different product, it turns out.
Not the same.
And how do we know it's a different product? It tore the paint off of our grill. So now our lovely pellet grill that we love using looks like it's been really poorly taken care of for many years, or that it sat underneath a tree where birds have just gone on it for many, many, many months, and it's just eaten away at the paint. But it's not. It's just that we sprayed this spray on there, let it sit for what, 3 minutes?
Maybe, if that.
So 3 minutes.
It was pretty immediate.
And I went to go wipe it off on video thinking, okay, this is going to be great. Next thing you know, that would not come off. So we have really messed up the paint on our grill because we didn't pay attention to one word on a bottle of Goo Gone. And that one word was oven as opposed to grate.
Yeah, and it did have a warning on the back. After we saw the damage that it had done, we read the bottle and it did have a warning that it's not supposed to be used on painted surfaces. But we assumed we had the same product, and so we didn't read that warning. We were rushed and made a careless mistake.
But you know what? This is the thing, is that everybody who's watching this video can learn from our mistake. They don't have to go out and buy this stuff and destroy their grill. But I will say, the Grill and Grate Cleaner is my favorite. It's my absolute favorite when it comes to cleaning the outside of a grill. I'll even use it on the inside of a grill. But that's my favorite. But don't be fooled. The stuff that they carried at Lowe's is not the same stuff. So,
and it might work great on certain grills, but definitely not those with a painted surface.
No, so we've tried many different things to remedy this. We've tried pressure washing the outside of the grill. We've tried other cleaners, other than really meticulously spraying around the spots that already have damage and then trying to damage the other paint exactly the same. I'm not sure how to make this look right again. So I think we're going to be cooking on a janky grill for a while.
But it still works great. The inside looks fabulous.
It does.
Because we did a great job cleaning the inside. Just the outside isn't as pretty.
Yeah, it's not. So I think what I would tell anybody that is looking to clean the outside of their grill, anything you can do with just Dawn dish soap and maybe a yellow and green Scotch-Brite scrubby, that's probably the good way to start. If you're going to go into the Grill and Grate cleaner, that Goo Gone stuff, I love it. It's really, really good. But I wish I would have gone to something else first.
Yeah. Or like since then, I've bought a 2-pack on Amazon so that we have a backup already on hand. The stuff that we got on Amazon, that's the right stuff. We just can't seem to find it in a store to go buy it in person. So we just need to make sure that we're stocked up.
I'm not sure where Goo Gone is hiding this in retail or whether it's only available online, but we'll be sure to drop a link below where you can find it because it's my favorite cleaner, but we really messed up on this one and we got to own that. So that's our PSA for anybody who's looking at it. But I got to say, red bottle, thumbs up, other bottle, thumbs down. That was really, really bad. So I've shared my biggest blunder that's ruined the outside of my grill. Now, my question is, what's yours? What have you done that you're like, oh, I can't believe I did that? So we can learn from your mistake and not have to repeat it as well. Share that down in the comments down below and let's share our mistakes together. All right, so here's the bottom line. When it comes to using a grill cleaner, this is what I recommend. I really like this one. I like it a lot. This is what I do not recommend. No bueno. No, this is not something you should get. Maybe it works for cleaning ovens. I really don't know. I'm not here to clean ovens. I'm here to clean grills. This is the one I highly recommend you get. So I'm going to put a link down below for this one. I'm not going to put a link down below for this one because this one, I don't want it at all. I don't think you want it either. This is the one, okay? So as you can see behind me, we've got a lot going on right now here at the Barbecue Lab. Some really fun stuff coming up. If you look over here and back there, a lot of great stuff coming up. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, this is a perfect time to do that as we have a lot of stuff coming up that I know you're gonna love. But before we go, here's one question I have for you. We spent a ton of time cleaning out our pellet grill, making a how to clean a pellet grill video for you. Obviously we can't use that now because the footage is just a mess. It's not a full story. So we can do that video again, but I wanna know, is that something you care about? Do you want to see us do a how to clean a pellet grill video, maybe a quick clean or a deep clean? Let us know down in the comments below so we know if we should take the time to make that video again. Obviously this one didn't work out, but good public service announcement for everybody. Anyway, I'm David. Behind the camera is Melissa. We're here at the Barbecue Lab. Thanks so much for watching and we will see you on the next one.